Configuring settings in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to configure the settings in WordPress. Click the Settings section. Let's change the title and tagline of our blog. Enter the new blog title. Enter the new tagline. This controls the default level of access for new users. This controls the time zone settings used to display posts to your blog. The default value for time is to use Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, and values for other time zones are adjustments based off of UTC time. UTC time is the same as Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT, for all practical purposes. These options control the date and time formatting. Click the Save Changes button. Next, we will briefly cover some of the other settings you can configure in WordPress. At the bottom of each one of the settings pages, there is a Save Changes button to save any changes made to the settings in that section. Click the Writing link. The settings here control how the updates are posted to your blog. Click the Reading link. These settings will control how your posts are displayed. Click the Discussion link. These settings control comments by others on your posts. This option requires visitors to log in with an account before they're able to comment on a post. Click the checkbox. Click the Save Changes button. Click the Media link. These settings control how images are handled. Click the Privacy link. This controls whether search engines are allowed to index the pages or not. Click the Permalinks link. These settings control how pages' links are organized for visitors that want to link to pages or store links to pages in their bookmarks. Click the Miscellaneous link. These settings control other options, such as where uploaded files are stored and how they're organized. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Click the Dashboard link. Click the Screen Options link. Here you can control what is displayed on the dashboard. Click the Screen Options link. Now let's go to the site. Click the Site link. Congratulations! You now know how to configure the settings in WordPress.